So today let us continue with the topic early humans. So we studied about the shelter and clothing of early humans and the discovery of fire. So today let us learn about the beginning of farming. So how they started farming. So early humans kept moving from one place to another in search of food. So you all know that early humans, they did not settle in one place. They kept moving from one place to another. Why they went in one place to another? Yes, they in search of food. So in search of food, they went from one place to another. So they soon found that whenever they threw the seeds of the fruits they ate, new plants grew from them. So soon they found that whenever they eat the fruits, they used to throw the seeds. So they, in that seeds, they saw some plants growing. So whenever they threw the seeds of the fruits, they saw the plants is growing from them. Then they noticed that when these plants become big, the fruits will grow on them. So when they saw that whenever they ate the fruit, they used to throw the seeds of that fruit and saw the plants growing from that seeds. And later they know that from that plant later they get the fruit. So they notice that these plants will become big and fruits will grow on them. Then the plant became big, fruits grew on them, and early humans had discovered farming. So by this way they discovered farming. Now they know that when the seeds is thrown, the plants will grow and again they will get the fruit from that. Then by this way they discovered farming. So they now knew that they could plant seeds and grow their food rather than go search for it from place to place. They could now settle down in one place. Then they settled down in one place after they discovered farming. So now they know that when they throw the seeds, the plants will grow from that. So by this way they discovered farming. Then they started to settle down in one place. Now they no need to move from one place to another in search of food. Now they can grow their food on their own. So next they settling in villages. So settling in villages. So now they know that plants can be grown from the seeds. Then they started to settle down in one place. So then early humans must have learned that the plants needed water and fertile soil to grow well. So now they know that they can grow plants from the seeds. To grow a good plant, they need water and fertile soil. Then such places were mostly near the rivers. So they know that the places near the river will be very fertile and it is very comfortable to settle down near the rivers. So they started settle down in small villages near the rivers. So most of the early humans, they settled down near the rivers. So all the villages were near the river. So because it is very helpful for them to grow their food. After settling down in villages, they started to tame the animals. So taming of animals. So after settling down in villages, early humans also started taming animals. They learned that some animals such as horse, donkey, cow, bullocks or dogs could be tamed more easily than others. So now they know that some animals are very easy to control by them. So they started to tame some animals like horse, donkey, cow, bullocks and dogs. They know that these animals will not harm them. It is very easy to control them. These animals are very easy to control, no? So they started to tame these animals. They use these animals for plotting their farmlands. So they use these animals to plot their farm. So in the picture you can see they started using animals to plot their land. So they plot their land with the help of animals. So they also got food such as milk and meat from these animals. So they started, then later they know that they can get food from animals like milk. They got milk from some animals, even some meat from some animals. So they started taming some animals for food and for their land, for plotting their farm. Now let's see how transport developed during the early times. So early humans still had to walk long distance and carry heavy loads. So now they know that how to grow crops. They want to carry their crops, no, they want to carry their products, no. So how they used to carry? So still they used to carry their loads on their own. So early humans still had to walk long distance and carry heavy loads. So they had to carry the animals that they killed. So they have to carry their animals which they have killed. They also had to carry wood used for making fire and for constructing houses. So then the animals that they had tamed were very used for carrying loads. So later they knew that the animals which they were tamed, it was used to carry loads. So this made the work of transporting loads a little easier. So experts believe that someone someday must have noticed logs of wood floating in the river. So some experts, they believe that somebody or someone, they have noticed some logs of wood, some pieces of wood were floating in the rivers. So then an idea must have struck. So this got the idea in the mind of early humans. They saw that some wood were floating in the rivers and a number of straight logs were tied together to make a raft. So first they found how to make a raft. So first they saw that some logs of wood were floating in the rivers. Then they thought they can tie all the logs together and they can make raft. So by this way they found the raft. So in this picture you can see they tied all the logs of wood and made raft. So because they were living near the river side, right? So they need to cross the river, no, in searching of in food. So to carry their loads to one place to another. So they found this raft. But traveling and transporting heavy loads by land was still difficult and slow. So in river they could carry their loads and they can travel by the raft. But how they can travel by land? Yes, so it was very difficult and slow. So at first they made carts that could be pulled along the ground. They were called sledges. So in the picture you can see the sledges. So at first they made cart, so that could be pulled along the ground. It is a cart which is pulled along the ground. So it is called as sledges. So the people pushed and pulled the sledges themselves. So you can see the people they themselves pulling and pushing the sledges. So the people pushed and pulled the sledges themselves. They also used animals to pull the sledges. Later they used some animals to pull the sledges. So but sledges could move only on smooth grounds. So they can move the sledges in a mountain. They can move this sledges in a heavy ground. It's the area which is smooth and area which is soft and plain areas, these sledges can be used, but it was very difficult to carry the goods and loads in the mountain. So then later they invented wheels to carry their loads in the road. So invention of wheel. So sometime later early humans must have seen round logs of wood rolling down a hill. So in the first picture you can see they are pulling their loads. They used to carry their loads by themselves on the road. So then later they saw the logs of wood which is rolling down a hill. So you can see the early humans saw logs of wood which is rolling down a hill. Then they got a idea. Then this clever early humans made holes in the center and passed a stick through a hole. So you can see they made hole in the center and passed a stick through the holes, and it joined a few more sticks to it to make a cart. So then later he made a cart by joining few more sticks to it. So this cart could now be easy to push or pulled to carry heavy loads, right? Yes, by this way they invented wheels. So wheel was one of the most important invention made by humans, right? Yes, so it changed the way humans live. So nowadays we use wheels in many ways. So wheels are used in machines, even it is used in vehicles. So even wheels are used, the pottery wheels, right? It is used to shape clay. So now the land travel became easier and faster for the early humans. It is now possible to transport heavy stones to build better houses for the early humans. Next, the discovery of metals. The early humans discovered that metals such as copper, iron could be produced by melting some rocks. So now they know that by melting some rocks they can make copper, iron. So these metals could be used to make better tools. So using these metal tools, human could now clear forests to get land for growing crops. So now they know the use of metals. They could make some tools with the help of this metals. Earlier they used some stones. They used to search for the sharp stone to kill some animals. To kill some animals they used to search for the sharp stone. But now they can use this metals to clear the forest. Why would they want to clear the forest? Yes, to grow crops and to build their houses. So this is all about the early humans and their discoveries. So please read the chapter properly. Thank you. Have a great day.